Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add bio on Happn. I wonder why you want to know how to add bio on Happn. Maybe because you have seen any kind of code or anything written on the internet and it really inspired you, so you just want to put that written thing as your bio on Happn. Or maybe you just want to describe yourself in bio, therefore you want to write it so that whenever you get to profile of someone, they will be able to get to know about you from your bio. Or maybe there's something in your mind that you want to write in your bio and you're looking for it. So whatever the reason it could be for you to write your bio on Happen, in this video I'll show you how easily you can write it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Happen app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Happen app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Right now, we are in the browse section. Therefore, you could see this interface. Here we have a lot of options almost all over the screen. Right now, we have to click onto this profile icon. Once you tap on it, there you will see some of your personal information like your name, your profile picture, and your age. Under the name, we have this option which is edit and it also has a pencil icon. Once you tap on it, you will get here. There you could see your name, profile picture and other stuff. Here we have this option which says in a few words. This is an option through which you can add your bio. So here if you want to add anything, just simply click onto this pencil icon and then type whatever you want to type. You can describe about yourself. Mostly on this app people talk about themselves so that other people could get to know about them. So you can do the same thing, but if you have something else in your mind, then you can go for that option as well. You can also use the same bio that you are using on your other social media platforms. You can just copy and paste them here, or whatever comes to your mind you can paste here. So as you have seen, the written bio is here. Likewise, if you have written your bio, then just simply click on this confirm option. It will just take a while and there you will see your bio will be in your account. So if we get back, there you can see we don't have any option through which we can preview our bio, but it is written into the account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add your bio on Happen. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.